And thank you once again for taking your time out to watch our videos here at National Gear Repair. As you clearly see, this here was a Rossi Gearbox for one of our clients that does plastic extrusion out in the southeast of the country, out in the Atlanta, Georgia area. And we did, the customer actually opted not to replace gearing in this for economic reasons. So what we had done was we lapped the gearing. And by doing this, just quietened everything down, and this led us to achieve our goal and our backlash that we aimed for. We replaced all bearings and seals, including the thrust bearing, reset that bearing flow to OEM standards, and we are now doing a preliminary test. So far, all has checked out well. Please do not forget that all work here at National Gear Repair is guaranteed for 24 months from the date of startup. Sounds fantastic. We will continue to run for the next 2 hours. Make sure there's no vibration, any overheating, any leaking, or any abnormalities. And National Gear offers free freight nationwide and free quotes. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.